Hello students, today I am going to explain one more problem from non-trading concerns, that is 8th problem from your textbooks, that is page number E26, and they have given the receipts and payments and the additional information is given. First we have to open the opening balance sheet according to the given information. As cash in hand, cash at bank both are given. In the receipts, cash in hand, cash at bank both are given. We have taken in the opening balance sheet asset cash in hand, cash at bank. And next they have given us in the additional information subscriptions due on 31st to December 2004, and this amount will be taken in the outstanding subscriptions as a asset. And next, sports equipment, the closing opening balance of the sports equipment is given. The amount is 1200. This amount is the sports equipment as on 31st December 2004. This is the opening balance. So that is last year's closing balance will be this year opening balance. So we have taken as it is a asset, and this is the opening balances which are given. Hence we have find out the capital fund. And next we will be seeing the income and expenditure account. First we will see the subscriptions, that is the receipts, that is income. Subscriptions, as we have given here the 8,000, but we have some calculation for the subscriptions which are given in the receipts at 8,000 minus outstanding subscriptions for 2004, 1,000 rupees, we will get 7,000. And the subscriptions which are given for 2005, it is 1,500. And next, subscriptions for 2006, that is nothing but the received in advance, that is 6 subscriptions, 300. It has to be deducted. As we are doing the problem for 2005, we are considering only 2005 subscriptions which are given 8,000 plus this 1,500, and we are 2004 and 2006 subscriptions we have to deduct, and the final amount of the subscriptions has to be taken in the subscriptions 8,200. And next it is given tournament fund, it is a liability. Life membership fees, it is a liability. Entrance fees is income. Donation for pavilion, as I told you, any specific donation should be treated as liability. Sale of newspapers, it is a income. Sale of grass, it is also income. And next we are seeing the payments, that is expenditure. Government's fee expenditure. Moving machine, it is an asset, and rent, it is an expenditure. Salaries to coaches, expenditure. Tournament expenses, always when tournament fund is given, tournament expenses should be deducted from the liabilities, like this, tournament fund minus tournament expenditure. And next, sports equipment purchased, we have certain calculation for the students. Sports equipment, it is an asset, but still sports equipment which is opening balance is given in the additional information 1,200 plus purchases. This amount we have taken from the payment side amount 1,200 plus 1,500, and minus closing balance is given 1,300, and this amount is treated as the depreciation. And whereas the amount the purchases, the moving machine, they have clearly mentioned that the depreciation should be calculated. Calculation of moving machine, 1,500 into 20 divided by 100, 20% for the they have mentioned that they have purchased the machinery on July 1st. That means only 6 months depreciation will be there. So 1,500 into 20 divided by 100 into 6 by 12, it is 150, and here this 150 has been taken. Depreciation on moving machine 150. So once we have posted all the transactions, we have to find out the difference between the income and expenditure. We got the deficit, which means that income is more than the expenditure. And once we got this, we have to open the balance sheet, closing balance sheet. Cash in hand, cash at bank, both are given on the payment side, last two balances. Subscriptions outstanding for 2005, and exports equipment, we have seen the calculation. Machine, we have seen the calculation. And next, capital fund, this amount is from the opening balance sheet. Deficit, this amount is from income and expenditure account. Tournament fund, I told you that. Life membership is also given. Donations for pavilion, it is given. Subscriptions received in advance, any income which is received in advance is treated as liability, hence it has been taken on the liability side, amount 300. So like this we have to post all the transactions, students, and finally we have to tally the closing balance sheet. The amount is tallied. So thank you, students. If you have any doubts, post the queries in the group.